Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math for You, and we are going to discuss how to compute variance of discrete probability distribution.
Variance. The formula is sigma squared is equal to summation of x minus mu squared times p of x. So that's the formula. First thing to do, find the difference of x and the mean. Okay, so we have a column for x minus mu. So copy the x values. We have 0, 1, 2, and 3. Subtract the computed mean. So this is the computed mean of this data. So subtract 1.70, 1.70, 1.70, 1.70. So we subtracted 1.70 or the mean in each value of x. 0 minus 1.7, that is 1 is negative 1.70. 1 minus 1.70, that is negative 0.70. 2 minus 1.70, that is 0.30. Then 3 minus 1.70, that is 1.30. So we are then now taking the difference of x minus mu. Next thing to do, square. Square the difference. So the difference is x minus mu is negative 1.70, negative 0.70, 0.30, and 1.30. So this is the difference. So in the formula, we're going to square. So square of this. Negative 1.70 squared. 1.70 times 1.70, that is 2.89. 0.70 squared, that is 0.49. Next, 0.30 squared, that is 0.09. And last, 1.30 squared, that is 1.69. So that is the square of the difference of x and mean. Next column. After taking the square of the x minus mu, multiply the probability. So our x minus mu squared are 2.89, 0.49, 0.09, and 1.69. Is this 69? 0.3 squared. Okay, 1.69 yan. Okay. So multiply the probability. So times p of x. So where are we going to get the p of x? So this is the p of x. We have 0.15, 0.25, 0.35, and 0.25. So find the product of this. 2.89 times 0.15, that is 0.4335. Next, 0.49 times 0.25, that is 0.1225. Next, 0.09 times 0.35, that is 0.0315. And last, 1.69 times 0.25, that is 0.4225. Then find now the sum of this. So we are done now multiplying the probability to this. So we multiply. So find now the sum. So sum of this. So we have 0.4335 plus 0.1225 plus 0.0315 plus 4.4225. So the answer is 1.01. So that is the variance. So the variance is 1.01. In computing the variance, sigma squared is equal to summation of x minus mu squared times p of x. Okay, first thing to do, find the x minus mu. So x minus mean. So our x values, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Minus the computed mean, 1.45. Subtract 1.45 in each value of the random variable. We have 0 minus 1.45, that is negative 1.45. Next, 1 minus 1.45, that is negative 0.45. Next, 2 minus 1.45, that is 0.55. 3 minus 1.45, that is 1.55. And last, 4 minus 1.45, that is 2.55. Okay, next, we need to square the difference. So we found already the x minus mu. So we're going to take the square of the numbers or the difference. So each difference, so x minus mu squared. So we have negative 1.45 squared, negative 0.45 squared, 0.55 squared, 1.55 squared, and 2.55 squared. Negative 1.45 squared, that is 2.1025. Next, negative 0.45 squared, that is 0.2025. Next, 0.55 squared, that is 0.3025. Then 1.55 squared, that is 2.4025. And last, we have 2.55 squared, so 6.5025. So that's the square of the difference of x minus mu. So we are done now in this part. After taking this, multiply the corresponding probability. So x minus mu squared, or 2.1025, 0.2025, 0.3025, 2.4025, and 6.5025. Multiply the corresponding probability. The corresponding probabilities are this. So copy 0.18, 0.34, 0.35, 0.11, 0.02. Okay, next, find now the product. 2.1025 times 0.18. So the answer is 0.37845. Next, 0.2025 times 0.34, that is 0.06885. And next, 0.3025 times 0.35, that is 0.105875. Next, 2.4025 times 0.11, so that is 0.264275. And last, 6.5025 times 0.02, that is 0.13005. And then add this. So the formula for the variance, summation of x minus mu squared times p of x. So this is our x minus 2 squared times p of x. So we're going to take the sum. So the sum is 0.9475.